Just wanted to let you know that this video is very slow. So, yeah, anyways, enjoy the video.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. I know this is the worst intro ever, but I know this is the worst intro of all time, but yeah, I had no other ideas for videos, so for today's video we're doing Animal Hospital. I will be trying to do a double upload this weekend by uploading on Oddcore. I don't know if any of y'all have heard of it yet, but shut the fuck up. Yeah, I had no other ideas, and this is what's trending, so let's just get into it without wasting any more time. I don't know, this intro's fucking awkward. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, bro. The main gameplay of this is just really boring, so this video might just be a bunch of different funny clips. I will be playing this to shift 10. Cause I feel like it. And that's the plan for the video. And I don't feel like going past shift 10 cause the gameplay is very boring. Like I'm sorry to anybody who really likes it. I just don't really find it that interesting. And the only reason I'm playing it is cause I had no other fucking ideas. Give me a second. Okay, I think he's good. Is that like enough for it to be an anomaly? It's literally the same dude. Yeah, I'm hurrying. So let me just check you out on the cameras. Okay. I wonder if that's like enough for them to be an anomaly, if they're like a copy. Okay, Red can you put in some like sneaky freaky background music? This is low-key fucking boring. Oh, what are you doing? God damn it, the taser's not functional. Just place the goddamn paper. Yeah, that's not normal. Are you an anomaly? Okay. Fucking, why can't I get a goddamn gun? Just get the fuck out of here. Yeah, you sure do have an appointment. I'm gonna give him the wrong treatment. Room 5. Yo, can we chill? Chill the fuck down, bro. Herbs and medkit. Alright, I'm gonna give you maple syrup. Get your fucking ass off of me. Fuck! Who fuck you think I am? I'm the goat at this. I'm just stomping on his head. Editing Rockstar, could you add like a bunch of like blood effects when I'm jumping on his head? Like just for effects, for like special. I don't fucking know. No, let's heal one more guy. This fucking dude. You know, Whoa. What do you want? That's not normal. No, that's no. No, we don't. We're not serving you here. Kill him. Hey, stop banging on the head. Stop it. Dude, holy voice crack. I'm not gonna lie. Purple is like one of my favorite colors because it's just like so like, I don't really know how to describe it. It's like like, I love outer space. I love galaxies, bro. Oh, I have 6, 7 sanity. Not even like 10 minutes in and I'm already losing my fucking mind. Like, purple's one of my favorite colors because it feels like so cosmic. I don't really know how to describe it. It feels like cosmic. Man, I don't want to deal with this shit. You're going in the fucking trash. I don't want to deal with that shit. Sup, I'm Red Black. I have an appointment. Yeah. Yo. Yeah, I'll let you right in, bud. But now, who do you think? Yeah, go away. There's been a shift in the polls. Oh, that guy looks cool. I like him. Pink and yellow, bro. Pink and gold, bro. Alright, give me money. Oh, fuck! Ginger Wooble. I'm here for my appointment. Yeah, in hell. Get the fuck out of here. Go. Go on. Yeah, get the fuck out of here, bro. Be gone. That's not normal. That is not normal. Dude, that scared the shit out of me, though. That scared the actual fuck out of me. I'm not even kidding. Dude, they were walking in. I finished here. Fucking long ass guy there. Long ass guy there. Just like a really long ass, fucking lanky ass fucking dude. Scared the shit out of me. Replay that clip. Replay that clip. That was so fucking funny. That was so funny, dude. You know, their talking sound really reminds me of Juice Galaxy. It like, I'm not even gonna lie, it reminds me of Juice Galaxy, or Juice World, or not Juice World, Juice Galaxy, I think it was. Dude, y'all Room 7? He looks like Riff. He looks like Riff. Like a fucking goofball, bro. The stupidest name of all time, probably. I'll be in room 1. Okay. Yeah, I'll be with you in a minute. I low-key gotta do very sensitive surgery. Lock in, y'all. IV drops. Begin. Antibiotics. Organ. Medicine. Scissors. Alright, so we need a transplant, organ, organ. Dub. See, I don't know why people think that's so difficult. Really not. Wait, y'all. Y'all, watch this stuff. Wait, y'all ain't ready. Wait, hold on. Up. Yeah, reaction time. Hold on, holy reaction time. Holy reaction. Okay, that doesn't kill us. It had Deltarune sounds. Replay it, it had Deltarune sounds. Y'all remember Rith, bro? Dude, I'm not gonna lie, he was so fucking funny when I was like 7. But now he just looks like a fucking goofball. My god, it's fucking hot in my room. Yo, I will be right back, y'all. Oh my god, dude. I really hope I don't see whatever that fucking lanky ass fucking motherfucker was. That scared the shit out of me. That was a cheap scare, bro. You're gonna pull. Oh, that's not good. Hold on, wait. Yeah, die. Just fucking die. Dude, I tanked for that guy. Trust. Dude, I actually tanked for this guy. Bro, I actually tanked. Alright, let's get that. Let's keep the taser on us. You know. You know what? You're gonna get your ass over here. Get your ass. No. Get your ass back in the goddamn hospital. I'm gonna kill the shit out of you, bro. Okay, so he's a fucking anomaly. What did I miss? Rista, tell me what I missed in post. Okay, thanks. I'll keep that in mind. Please don't be a fucking anomaly. I can't deal with this shit right now, bro. Just stomping on his head. Hey, let me see your teeth. Alright, buddy. Yeah, it's looking good. Check cameras. Let me just real quick check him. Okay, yeah, you're looking good. Excuse me. Yeah, you're an anomaly, gang. Yeah, I can. Fuck you. Ratatouille. Oh my god, it's Ratatouille. I'm just gonna grab this just in case. I'm gonna wait for this to. I get it! Give me a second. He's the stupidest looking fucking dude. We got Ratatouille in it. Hey, buddy. So. Hey, buddy, you might want to close your eyes. Bro, they put the most sauce into this guy. Like, they put the most effort into this guy. Why can't they make everybody else look like this guy? Look at it. Touch her. Ow, fuck. Red Static, can you skip to when I complete it? When I get back to where I was. Alright, yo. Oh my fucking god, dude. I can't play the rest of this fucking game, bro. Like, this is the slowest game I think I've ever fucking played. So, yo, I might do a part. I might do a part 2. I'm not sure yet. But, yeah, keep that shit up. Keep working hard. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Red Static, logging off, all that good stuff. Anyways, bye.